Today I'm working in my noisy shop while it's raining. I'm doing some rust repair on the old M35A2 Deuce and a half. I pulled the door off to get it out of the way, and 5 out of 8 of the bolts broke off in the body. I've tried extracting them, drilling holes through the center, putting an easy out in it, couldn't do that. The ones that stick out, like these lower ones, I have screwed nuts on there and tried to weld through the center of it and pull it out. That didn't work either. In my experience, usually when a bolt breaks coming out, it's almost impossible to extract it like that. But if it breaks off going in, that's a little easier. So today I'm making this video to show you a little trick I'm doing just to make it easier to drill down the center and retap the hole. This is a cheap 1/4 by 20 screw with a fender washer and a 1/4 by 20 nut. I'm going to take it over to the drill press. Now I need to put a hole all the way through the center of this bolt. I'm using a 3/32 drill bit. So here's the screw now with the hole all the way through it, centered on both sides. I'm going to put a nut on the broken bolt and then start this screw back in the nut. Now I have a straight guide for my portable drill to drill through the broken bolt. The hole all the way through, I can take this back off. Now I can step it up to an 1/8 inch drill bit. (11/64) drill bit. Okay, now a 13/64 drill bit. And last, a 1/2 by 20 tap. That's all it takes. Here's the new grade 8 bolts and the hinges. Here's the metal work I've done. I don't have any filler on it yet, just a little bit of primer. Here's the roof I've been building. It's hard to get a good shot of the truck inside the shop because the shop is about the same size as the truck.